हेलो एवरीबॉडी, इस चैनल में आप सभी को हार्दिक स्वागत है एक नए प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू के साथ। मैं चांग, नमस्ते, सलाम अलैकुम। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज के एक नए प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू। तो मैं आज आपके सामने एक नए प्रोडक्ट, देखिए आपके सामने एक थोड़ा सा एक मशीन से, तो जो नहीं जानते वो उसको मैं थोड़ा सा दिखा दूँ। ये देखिए, डॉक्टर फिजियो का मणिपुर बॉडी मैसेजर 1011 इसका कोड नंबर है। So ये अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो नहीं है, दिस इज़ नॉट अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो, एंड यू कैन गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड वाइड. So you can, if your country get access the Amazon, so you can directly buy this product from Amazon, because this product is totally made in USA. You can see here, this is a made in USA. तो इस प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू का मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा हाउ टू यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट, एंड दिस इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो, because this is a product review. And what is the product review? First, I have got this product 6 years ago. I have bought this product 6 years ago, that I already use it. This is my old product. You can see here the Dr. Phisio. This is my old product, and this I have already purchased this one for my customer. This price is Indian rupees 1100 from, and you can get this from local any medicine store. So I have already searched this type of body massager machines in local shops. So this is not actually made from USA. These all product had made from a local company, just like in New Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai. So always, I recommend it, always you have purchased this product only for Dr. Phisio brand, and it is a very good quality. If you are coming from the outside of India, just like Western country and Eastern country, so this product is good for you. This is not a Chinese product, this is a totally USA product. So I have 6 years ago, I have already purchased this. This was packet body Manipol. This is a Manipol Masssager, and the color is totally white. So how you use it, I also, after few minutes, I will show you how you can get and use it. So this is my machine. So, and this was a packet. So this was packet. This one is ball. This for dry skin, and this is another. This 1, 2, 3 and 4, and one is inside the machine. So how you can get this one? So this is a plug. So I have opened you how you can get the product in 2024. So this packet is very small packet. This one small packet after 6 years. So you can see here the this is the Nurika Incorporation USA. It is totally and marketed by India. This product is coming from the direct USA. This is a American genuine product. This is not a genuine. It is not a non-Indian product, and this is the Indian price 2000, 5000. If this sticker is importer sticker, this is not an actual sticker. This is an importer sticker. You can see here. Pause this video and see carefully. You can see here this body massage. The arm, how you can get beneficiary from this product. The arm massage. So arm, so shoulder, foot, waist, surrounding the waist and thigh. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the a scraping massage head, wavy head. So this is attached here, wavy head, and this one ball massage head. You can see here. This is the ball massage. This is the ball. So ball massage and the dead skin removal. So dead skin removal. And this was the scraping massage. So this is this very small product. You can get it from this one, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 1 is inside here. So how you can get, so how you can remove. So you can see here, this is a lock system. I think this, okay, and this is the QR code. How you can remove this one? First, remove this one, the tilt in anti-clockwise, and remove it. Okay, this is and how to remove this one. I think this product, this plastic material is a poor plastic material than this one. This material is very good quality because I have purchased this one for myself 6 years ago. So you can see here, this product is totally the same. Dr. Phisio, and there are no branding here, the Dr. Phisio, and to remove this one, it is a bit harder. So it is a bit harder to remove this one. So I want to show you in my old machines how to remove this one. So okay, and so this is my own machines. How you can remove this one? Okay, remove this one, and then you can get it easily from here. So you can change this one. You can see here, and this motor is 25-watt motor. And press this one and get it back, and okay, and move it and tilt it clockwise, so it totally locked. And this cord is white color cord, and the old model cord is this one cord. This cord Indian cord, and this cord is the Indian. The cord side, the pin is this pin is not a thin. This is a thin, and this one is not a thin. This is a good for Indian socket. And how you can start this one? So this is the plug. See, you can see here the sound. Tuck. So when you tilt it more, the machine runs more speed. The machine runs more speed, more vibrate, more tilting clockwise, the machine runs more speed, more vibrate. When you tilt this button in anti-clockwise, it runs slowly, and once it shut down, switch off. The same machine is the same. The machine is same, but this material, the plastic material, is not a good. This material is a very good quality material, very good quality, and it's very smooth. And I think the material is thin, and the weight is the total weight. I guess the total weight is a little bit different because it is more heavier than this one. It is more heavier. Old one is more heavier than new one. So I have already shown you through this video how you can and now tilt to on and apply on affected area. What is the best time to use this product? 2 hours after meal and 1 hour before meal, and don't use this machine after meal. And if your stomach is empty, this is a good time to use this machine.
And for your favor, I'm gonna show you how to purchase it from Amazon. I have typed the Amazon.in, or you can see the Amazon.com if you're outside India. Type AAXXYPP. Amazon. So it is the same. Dr. Phisio Massager machine, the same price you can see here. Dr. Phisio electric massager, this is the same price. You can see here the same, but it is a bit difficult. So Dr. Phisio Massager machines, copy it here. Dr. Phisio Massager. It is a bit difficult to find. Just I want to show you. This way. So if you are coming from the India, it is available on India. It is made in USA, but you cannot find it from Amazon.com. Just click on the Amazon.in. You can have this product is available in Amazon.in, or you can find it in your local online shop. Just type the Dr. Phisio. Don't buy this one. This is the same product. This price is 1,499. This price is 1,990. 1,100 rupees and 1,500 rupees. This is the same thing. Arms, lower back, neck, thigh, upper central back, waist, stomach, feet, and I go to the 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces. Lightweight and flexible. This is the same thing. There are the same 2 products available on the Amazon. One is white color, one is black color. I didn't use the color black, but if you are budgeted mentality, so buy this white color. Just type on the Amazon Dr. Phisio. Full body Manipol, just keep it in mind, just mind it, Manipol Massager.
So I hope you enjoy this video. I have made this video in speaking English, so because this product is a worldwide product, I don't want to make this video in Hindi, in the Indian regional language. If you want to, if you don't want the English language, if you want to make this video in Hindi language, so in the next, just comment in the description box. So in the future I will try to make this video in the Hindi. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new product. Bye bye.